And welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your match.com password, and it is not available in my region, so I'm just using website to show you guys. And then tap on already a member and you'll have to enter your email and password to log in, but in our case we don't remember the password, so we'll just tap on forgot password option, and we'll have to enter our email address over here. Tap on send email, and now we have to go and check our Gmail for the from them. And once you get that, just tap on that, and once you get that Gmail, it will have the instruction on how to reset your password, and it has not arrived yet. Let's just check our spam and our trash folder, because sometimes it stays there, not in our inbox. And once you get that, just follow the instruction on your Gmail and simply tap on the reset link, and it will take you to a website from where you can reset your password, and that is how you can easily reset your match.com password. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.